If you're in a growing company that's using Jira, Confluence, or other Atlassian tools, you should consider moving to the Atlassian cloud. The cloud offers a number of advantages over on-premise instances. A secure environment optimized for the tools you rely on, lower total cost of ownership because the cloud environment is managed for you, built-in scalability that meets you where you are and follows where you're headed, continual app and security updates to ensure optimal performance and security, a large ecosystem of tools, add-ons, and integrations to expand, automate, and connect all the apps you use. Of course, Atlassian Cloud isn't for everyone, which is why we recommend a readiness assessment to determine the best approach and configuration for your unique needs as you grow. Cprime experts can review your current tools and configuration, any add-ons you're currently using, and your plans for the future, then help you make a fully informed decision. You will also need to consider licensing to ensure you're only paying for exactly what you need now, while also considering what you will need as your business scales and grows. Most growing companies simply can't afford to give their IT infrastructure the time and attention it needs. That's why an experienced third-party partner can be so valuable to advise on configuration, optimization, migration, and licensing. If you're ready to upgrade your Atlassian experience, speak to an Atlassian Cloud expert from Cprime today.